Alright, I've got my step bit in here. I can drill this out a little bit. I'm going to put a little cutting oil on these. Raise the table up. I had to switch step bits so I could get a little bit bigger hole. The other one was dull near the top anyway. Okay, a couple of big holes that hopefully I can get my socket through. If not, I'll make them bigger. Okay. So here's the tranny mount. Now if you see through the side, you see the studs are sticking out there. Just going to temporarily bolt it down. One nut there. Nut there. So you can see this hole I made is big enough to get a socket through, so I can tighten those up. And we'll just gently snug them down. Now we'll go mount this back temporarily underneath the car. Bolt this up to the tranny. And then I can mark these holes here. Here. And drill them. Take it back out and drill them. Okay, as you can see, I've got it all rigged up underneath the car again. Got my piece of wood which is underneath the frame, so it makes a straight edge for me to set my cross member on. And I've got my intermediate block here, tranny mount right there. So now this tranny mount's in just kind of slightly loose, so I can maneuver it around. And I'm going to mark the holes. And also, while I'm under here, I'm going to mark where the cross member is going on the chassis, so I can grind that off and get ready to weld it. Going to sand off these areas on the frame so I can weld the cross member in. Alright, here's the cross member I'm going to weld in. Here's the holes on top that are going to line up with the two outside holes here. And I drilled bigger holes in the bottom so I can come up from the bottom with the socket and the nut. Got a couple nuts here. And drop them in the holes. Just to kind of line everything up. Okay, I'm going to measure to make sure that this bar is square in the chassis. I'm going to measure off the front cross member back to it. Alright, I'm going to call that good. We'll weld it in. Alright, see if I can jack it up a little bit. The tranny, that is. I'll take this wood shim out that's up front between the transmission and that front cross member. You can't really see it. Comes out, drop her down. She's now sitting on her own on our custom cross member, intermediate bracket, transmission rear mount. Once I pull the cab back off, I'll finish welding up the rest of the mount all the way around, and also the rest of the chassis mounts. Okay, so next time we're going to do something with this material here. See if you can guess what that is. I'm sure you probably can. So thanks for watching my channel, and I'll see you next time. Take her easy.